Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash and this is All That Ash. As you can see today, I did New Year's Eve look number 2. This looks like 4, but it's actually number 2. So, it was just fun. A little black smoky glitterness with a pop of pink. You know, nude lips. Gotta keep it cute. Gotta keep it funky. I had my hair up the whole time, so now it's like bent. But it's okay. It's okay because it's still cute. Can you guys believe how long my hair is getting? Look at my bangs. Ooh. Anyways, so like I was saying, yeah, this is New Year's Eve look number 2, and I freaking love it. So if you guys love it too, please go ahead and give me a like. Let me know what you think of this video, you guys. Oh, and also my last video, I don't know what happened between me editing and like uploading and all that stuff, but my wording and my actual voice were off. So I was really upset when I realized that. Yeah, so like it was like one of those old school kung fu movies where like I was talking and like you can hear my voice, but like my mouth is like so it was ridiculous. But yeah, this is look number 2. I'm gonna try and work in look number 3. I had a photo shoot today with 2 different models, so I was busy all freaking morning, and then you guys know that I work full-time, so I had to come home, spend time with my family, and then I went to work, so I didn't really have time to do this until now, and it's like the middle of the night. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right, so starting off with my brows already done. Now I'm gonna start my face. So I'm using the Caprice Antioxidant Dewdrops, and then I'm gonna mix that with the Fenty True Matte Primer. I love the combination of these two. I've been using it for a while. It's really good for my skin. So I'm gonna just get that everywhere. You don't necessarily have to be too precise, but of course get all the areas. And make sure you bring it down your neck where your foundation's going to be as well. Alright, so now this is a BH Cosmetics Correct and Conceal palette. I'm going to take that flat brush and I'm going to just go ahead and get all the dark spots on my face. So this is color correcting. Under my eyes. I got the spots on the side of my face. I'm going to do a little bit around my mouth after I'm done with my eyes. There we go. So a little around my mouth. And then the other side of my face. Now, I'm going to be taking this rose water and then this sponge. This is a Sonia Kashuk sponge. I love her sponges. I'm going to just blend that out. I have that palette down there, so I kind of just picked up a little more orange. I just want to make sure that it like completely covers. And I have a little bit of redness around my nose, so I'm going to take this green shade, which is going to counteract the red. So that way the redness doesn't show through. It doesn't happen often when I get redness on my face, but you guys saw this time it did. So I'm going to blend that out, the orange still. And I'm doing all this so that way I can use the translucent powder. And then, so I use the BH Cosmetics translucent powder. Now I'm going to just set my face. And I mean, don't freak out with all the powder. It literally just comes right off. And what you need to stick to your face is going to stay to your face. So I use this as a barrier. I have super oily skin, but then also I make sure that all the color correcting that I did, that doesn't move, because of course it could just wipe off when I start putting on my foundation. So now I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in the color 330. So I'm patting it into my skin to get the most coverage. And I like to put it over my eyes to just make sure that it's seamless. Everything just comes together. So this is an angled stippling brush, so this is perfect for getting into all of the spots. I'm I'm huge on skin, so that's why I really like take my time and make sure it's just perfect. Gotta do forehead. I love seeing just like the difference in my skin after I put this foundation on. Like, it's so skin-like, you guys. I love it, and it's so inexpensive. I would definitely try it if I were you. Now the Tarte Shape Tape. This is like my holy grail. This is the bombest concealer I've ever tried in my life. This is in the color Deep. So a lot of people go crazy and put it, you know, on their forehead, on their chin, etc. I really just mainly like to focus it where it's necessary. I don't like the cake face, and I don't like putting on too much, just enough. So once again, seamless coverage. Put it on your eyes, all the way around your nose. And we make funny faces to make sure it gets everywhere, but hey, it's worth it. Gotta remain creaseless. All right, so now this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Earth. This was the darkest shade that they had. I love it. It's so freaking creamy. I love contouring underneath my lips. Like, this little sponge. This is so fun to blend with this little sponge, but hey, we got the job done. So make sure you just take your time and blend. We do not want any harsh lines or anything. Like, look at how it just melts into my skin. I'm living, you guys. It's freaking beautiful. So along my hairline, back to the other side of the contour. So all the way around your face, and the way that I did it, it really just brings your whole face together. It's definitely not necessary. It's a bit more dramatic, but when we put foundation on, it kind of just completely gives you a clean slate, so you don't really have any shapes to your face after that. So that's why you end up wanting to contour. So I'm going to do my nose. I'm actually loving contouring my nose lately. I didn't used to do it, but I kind of like it. Alright, so now I'm contouring under my lip. So look, when I smiled, I could see like a super harsh line. So with that brush, I just blended it out and made it look a lot more natural. So this is the Black Radiance Banana Powder. I'm going to just set my under eyes. Hi, baby. I'm going to, of course, do my lids. I'm going to do the other side. And setting your eyelids also works as kind of like a primer base, like an eyeshadow primer base. And then, of course, my MAC, Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I love that this powder just looks so skin-like after you put it on. It's bomb, you guys. I don't know if I'll ever be able to use anything else. It's the Natural Dark Deep. I would suggest trying it in your shade. All right, so this is the Ciate blush. It's marbled blush or something, in burnt, and then that was the Anastasia Beverly Hills baked bronzer or bronzer powder in mahogany. So what I'm doing is I'm actually mixing the both of them. So I'm taking a bit of the blush and a bit of the bronzer, and then I'm mixing them before I put it on my face. And I actually really like doing that instead of layering them, mixing them together. I don't know, I feel like it was just a quicker step, and it was also, you know, a lot more beautiful and blended. Natural, I guess. So I loved it. So now I'm going to just continue bronzing the rest of my face. I'm going to do my forehead. I'm going to do along my hairline, underneath my chin. And then I did not go over my nose contour with powder. I just kind of left it like that, just a subtle contour. Now I'm doing the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. This is the highlighter. It is gorgeous. I'm literally obsessed with this too. This is about to be a holy grail also. Yes, honey. I love it. And of course, if there was any fallout, I smoothed it over. Make sure to get your brow bone. Cupid's bow, your nose. Yes. It's gorgeous. All right, so now I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Bomb. Okay, so with this baby wipe, I'm gonna just wipe off the excess powder that I had on my hairline. So I'm just make sure it's nice and smooth. Next, we're moving on to the eyes. This is the Goals, Goals, Goals palette by Tarte. I'm gonna take the shade LA and just use that as a base color, my transition shade, all over the lid. Hi, son. Next, I'm taking Drop Top, which is just a darker brown, kind of like a reddish brown. I'm gonna just blend that into the LA shade. Make sure you blend, blend, blend. Yes. Now with a brush that has no product on it, I'm gonna just smooth out underneath my brows. I wiped it off so that way it doesn't transfer any color. And then I'm gonna take this super dark brown shade in Skip Day. It's called Skip Day. And I'm gonna just deepen that as well. So we really want that gradient brown effect before we do the black. Now this is a NYX Jumbo Pencil in black. It's super creamy. I was looking for a pencil brush or something. All right, so I'm gonna just put that on my lid. And you don't have to put it all over because as we blend it out, this is a pencil brush. We're gonna just smooth it out and it spreads. It's gonna spread beautifully because it's so creamy. And then if you have a pencil brush, this is gonna be really, really precise. You could do it with like a flat shader brush or whatever, but I wanna kind of give it a little wing and I wanted to focus it just on my eyelid. I didn't wanna bring it up into the crease. So now, taking the Norvina Collection palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to take that matte black shade. And this is the D5. So it's super, super black, super matte. It's beautiful. So I'm going to just cover everything that was cream from that pencil. And just make sure it's nice and smooth. Everything's covered. There was a little tiny bit of fallout, so I just brushed it off. Now this is a super, super tiny eyeliner brush, so I'm gonna use this to just sharpen up the edge. And then once again, a little bit more black. And then I'm gonna just pull it down a little bit. It's only gonna be like not even halfway, like 3/4. No, not even 3/4, like 1/4 of my eye, the outer corner of my eye, okay? All right, so now that that's done, I'm going in with the Anastasia glitter adhesive and then just black chunky glitter. And I'm gonna just press that on. It's crazy how much it transforms. Like, it looks so freaking cute with the glitter on top. Like, it was cool, just matte black, but girl, this freaking glitter is bomb. So I was just doing little piece by piece. I wasn't trying to have the glue dry out. So I just did little sections until the eyelid is finished. So I'll just keep tapping, pressing. And you can use any kind of black glitter, like whatever you choose. This wasn't anything special. I think I just got this from like the dollar store or Walmart or something. So now this is the NK Makeup white eyeliner. It's super creamy. So I'm gonna just use that in my waterline. And then I'm also gonna do it on the inner corner of my eye because I'm gonna put a pop of color there. All right, so now I'm taking A5, which is that hot pink shade. And I'm gonna put that down on top of the white, just in the inner corners. I super just wanted something cute and just a quick pop. So I'm gonna do both sides of that. I freaking love it. All right, so now I'm using the Voluminous Lash Primer by L'Oreal. I'm gonna just put that on my lashes, both sides. And put on my lower lashes. And I like to do the lower lashes before I do shadow, because I feel like it just kind of like sticks better. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Where's your papa? So I'm gonna just coat my top lashes only before I put on my falsies. All right, so now going back into the Goals palette, I'm using Drop Top again. And I put that underneath my eyes. And then I'm using the Bold Ambition Mascara by Ulta Beauty. And these are the Marquise lashes. I keep forgetting who makes these. I'm gonna have to find out. I think it's like Allure, maybe? That sounds right. Yes, those are beautiful. You can't really see them with all the black, but I can see them. I like them. Super cute. All right, more mascara to blend them. Now, the Fenty Beauty highlight to match our face. We're gonna do under the brow bone, that Hustler baby. Everything matches, everything matches. Now the lips, okay? Any brown lip liner. This is super dark, so I wanna say like dark brown, almost black. We're gonna just line the lips. Tell me that glitter doesn't look bomb, you guys. My gosh. All right, so yeah. Fill in the lips, fill in the lips. And then after that, I'm gonna take the ColourPop. This is a lippy stick in Parker. It's matte. I had lip gloss on, so it's kind of more like glossy than matte. So that's why I was tapping at it, because it was like super like glossy. It was just going all over the place. So yeah, this is the finished look. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I think it's just dramatic enough. I love it. So I have some pink in here, I have some glitter, lots of black smokiness. Yeah, and then I kind of left my brows how I normally do them, and my face, I haven't really changed anything, so I could do like a foundation video if you guys want to see obviously how I do my skin. You guys saw it in the video, of course, too. So yeah, just let me know what you think in the comments. I love it. Yes. I adore it. My hair is getting so long, you guys. Oh, and I wanted to talk about what happened in my other video, okay? I don't know, out of nowhere. We'll talk about it another time, according to my son. All right, you guys, so if you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe. There's more videos coming, so please become part of the family. Let me know what you think in the comments. Talk to me, you guys. Go like my Facebook page, AllThatAsh. All of it, everything. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.